If you need to change password on AnyDesk, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can log in, find your account settings, and update your password safely and easily. And if this video helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Chrome on your computer. You can use any modern browser, but for this video we'll use Chrome since it's quick and easy. In the address bar, go to my.anydesk.com. This is the official AnyDesk account portal where you can manage your profile settings and account details. Once the page loads, log into your AnyDesk account using your email and password. If you're already signed in, you may go directly to the dashboard. After you're in, look at the top right corner of the page and click on Account. This is where your profile and security options are stored. Now click your name, then choose My Profile. On the profile page, scroll or look for the password section. Here you'll see an edit option. Click edit to open the password change form. Next, type in your current password. This step is important because AnyDesk needs to verify that it's really you making the change. After that, type your new password in the new password field. Make sure it's a strong password that you haven't used before so your account stays secure. Then type your new password again in the confirm new password field to make sure both entries match exactly. Take a moment to double check everything before you continue, because even a small typo can stop the password from updating correctly. Once all the fields are filled in, click Save. AnyDesk will then update your password and your account will be secured with the new login details. And that's it. You've now learned how to access your AnyDesk account, open your profile, and change your password successfully. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.